Okay, haven't gotten a video for a while. I want to show you what's been going on with our bees. They have about 11 layers now. They sure don't like my light. Look at them in there working away. I think that's the queen right there, was in the front. She just, well, where'd she go now? I'm going to say she's right in there. She looks bigger than the others. Some of the other ones are getting pretty big too. You see them? Let's get a good picture. They're in there just working away. They're pretty bees. So we had this original layer up top here. It's gotten much bigger. And you can see all the larvae in there. And then this is another one of those circle things like she started with. I don't know if that one spins or not. I haven't seen it spin yet. But look at them in there. They are not liking my light at all. I don't know why, because they never sleep. There's a few of them on the outside. Today they were working on this bottom layer right here. When it started this morning, it was only over here, so they did that much today. But they are working all the time. I'm trying to get a picture of one of them. Layer after layer. There's one close up right there. They don't bother us. They're in an area outside the house that we don't really go. So I'm curious to see how big this is going to get. Looks like they opened up this middle. This was layers. You can see where the layers were on the glass. They removed all those. Now there's like a big opening in there. And that's where the tunnel is now. To go outside, I can see a guy going in and out. Hard to tell which one I'm talking about, but I can see like so I'd say about 10 inches wide now. Probably about 10 inches down. It's actually starting from the outside to come up over the window. They're working on it. Crazy to see all their shadows. I'm very glad I'm inside. I don't want to be outside. Quite a few of them now. I still think it's very cool to be able to watch and see what they're doing, how hard they work.